me breaking news no. Me share one him, but I'm sure so he relieves kakra.
Precisely because eba say ya, you see, say bibi eba say ya, aya na ya am share because ebia ubefu so we mfa me ho ebe wiase na abefa ho. E ka Ghana ni ba konso a aka ye nyina sebe market nso ye nyina ye nuama nom ye maame nom ye namfo nom edidwa wo. And you never know.
Okay.
Yes.
So back to Amankwah-Manu.
Yes. Na mame kasim bi asemo as say kra de say asemo de ho apaso na mo ho apaso ne say ambulance 87.9 ambulance.
But what is what mampani say enye ambulance.
I disagree o mampani hu yankwa meka bi
o say enye ambulance say go hu say ambulance we no ekwa mo beso mo boa na remote areas no. Nurses wo ho no betimi ayo madwuma because there are some areas are say ambulance intimi nko
precisely
at least e be facilitate o madwuma dia o mudi e wo chip compounds any other areas.
Thank you.
So this is it.
Thank you. Yeah, what chip compound all over. What is the essence of chip?
87.9 Kumasi.
Chip compound, it didn't chip compound.
FM 87.9.
Say ebetimi asoso niema
na aben nipa no enti ne chip compound. And every chip compound your chip compound zone.
Yeah.
Your chip compound zone. I was see a kokoto abobo ya we no. Anya dia ba be yes normal way. You see, and no money be your hono. Aya na ye ya enya politics crowd. And you see, I don't know because me feel say on mind ye boom maya. You see, when a drew baby and nipa you rise above the politics. Now you look at what is good for the general use of the Ghanaian people.
Yeah.
Say yeah, already. Your hospitals are away cry. They be higher today in and day out. And Crawford did that form. You never been found Crawford on too. Good. Afe wako wa diagnose obi yare kese pa hina de never. You see why it is important. So what's it to be the politics at two baby. Now you're dream or mine.
Yeah. Very important.
Sa agenda 111. Say you twice or Sebi a best serving very important medical issues. A bit dealing with them. Traded yeah, be a crowd. At least hospital be a minia. Say yeah, you open them in faces.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Keep it to me, I shall say. And then I'm really saying, Edao. Ya was a normal way no muninano, yentimi you, ya koto abubulance. And this is a chip compound on I one or more by your day. Media men
of friends saying tricycles of friends say
abubulance. That's why abubulance. And you're not on there.
They say, Yabuya, Nadia Abubuya and Abubulanzo.
No, and Yabuya, Nede. We are Abubuya, or how many
say
a tricycle and the abubulance. We abubulance, I are Covanich Chikama. Oh,
so that's me say 87.9. Any contribution be to health.
Media can be full look. And this thing is being done already. It is being done already. It is not new. Look, a beer offer chip zone. Chip zone, no, you have motorbikes. Obetimi, Ede Amankwah, Etimi, Ede Ashe Sa zone. Your nurses be honoma or mobetimi, Ede. You don't need the purchase of these things. Says a kosher nebo. Utibe jaw. Oh, yeah, but this yes, a pilot.
Nasa Momo Toby.
Yet, or dear Hindi.
The same tricycles in the motorbikes.
87.9 Kumasi.
Me, I don't know. But I don't make catch us a look. Let it not be seen as something new being done. Sir, I dear we know. Now, President commission we with your friends saying a pump and pageantry. Spend this to commission these things. It's unbelievable. We know. Abra will be a year zip line, timid drew. What tip a baby timid drew bro or some boy. What a baby timid drew bro and a so. Now we'll confine now with the way and a bremy. Yeah, the Achumakwa on my chip compound, ye pe papa, ye near be into your papa, into mom, ye pa bobo yas, I no man on my way, ye better issues to deal with. Edebeni. Your mind is go.
Mini as a mini Kia beer.
Many day.
Kia.
And the way a mini Kia. A mini Kia move mini pa. A mini Kia move mini pa.
Free primary health care.
You see, a honor is our problem. A honor is our problem. Sir John, I can bet. I see a free primary health care. Doesn't mean so when the nurses go to work, it's going to be free. Let us wait and see the implementation if it's going to be free. Let us wait and see. Yet we are no man DC for and
health insurance. You are good to go.
Health and you're free after all.
But say there you need to have means of accessing it.
But I am saying, you see, when you are saying free, it should be free. Sir, when you have your insurance card, what it means is that insurance will pay. It is not free, as we are being made to understand. It is not free. It is not. It's going to be paid for. And don't say it is free. It is not. It is not.
And it's a free, you're using it wrongly for years.
Well, and she says, obi ni insurance. You see, say who insurance. Na say oko hospital. Na say ye show. Na say oko. It is not free. What your premium? That is going to take care of a share. And it is not free. But yes, what your dada? And you know, oko. And insurance will pay.
87.9 Kumasi.
And you Bacho, share a buy. Honorable, look at it. And unless if we Dr. Faster Chisu. What ridiculous are you?
Oh, yes.
Very serious.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Ambulance. Yes.
This is it. Because there are areas, who quite be.
Yeah.
And yet, say, you see, ambulance crown here, they complemented health delivery. It should be difficult to say ambulance in Bitimako. And I'm sure, say, per the records of the Ghana ambulance service, no.
Yes.
Areas be how much mean co.
I agree to complement that. I agree with you. But your cheap zones. Just a motorcycle could have done this work. You don't need all this. Anyway, Mami Musawo. So you go. You screen. Somebody has an emergency. What happens? You're never to a mabana.
I'm sure, sir, with this, it will be able to manage the situation and be a transfer.
You bet me a farini pano, Ediaba.
Oh, no, I mean.
But
this is an effort.
It's an
effort.
Well, it may be an effort. An effort can be negative. Yes, an effort can be negative. For me, I have issues with it, but yakotaba, day. And
you say no. Say be with my baho.
Maybe I've been to say be about.
May sure be. I mean, swans are more a pilot.
What it is, we be question say. We be question say.
Oh, sir.
For so to for me, it be question say. Yeah.
And I guess once being say be called.
Oh, Charlie. Yeah, can't places where places that are not more trouble. As I was account. You see, it is about time we stop doing politics with the Ghanaian people. Sometimes, look, you sit down and you yourself, at the ABA Koswa, you say to yourselves that, look, those driving the policy are not being fair to the Ghanaian people. You just say that to yourself.
Omo driving policies.
Yes, omo this are draining ba omo eye no. And no money be ho no ma. Just say o drain ho na wo ti ase a enye ye o menua. O drain ho na wo ti ase a enye ye. But well, this is the country we have. And that's a wusha. NDC by also they had a lot of goodwill. Just 1 year down the line, that goodwill is eroding, and it is eroding at a speed you just cannot understand. And now social media, baby, people have become so disappointed in the NDC. So disappointed. Because a normal omoka nara. For the first time in the history of our country, yet to me, a year recruitment, any other kind of problems we have. Recruitment into the security agencies, any other problems we have. For the first time in the history.
More time, no, no more Catania masun.
And no more
Mama nipa wasn't communia access, more pin, said the Abamba, what BM say.
Obiamu you see, a bind
at your time, who will be, it means the amount for any access.
No, you apply. A nipa apply. Busa say, a nipa apply to this. These numbers we have now. Because we did politics with recruitment, which is so bad. One, this a campaign. A man for Kojina Simpieso. Yeba mama ya famo into the security agencies. Yeba famo wa upebia ubekobi. One is
87.9 Kumasi.
I mean, how can you do politics in that way? How? I don't know what you mean, sir.
Okay, so with the free primary health care now complementing the effort of the National Health Insurance